Let's give this a taste. That's how it's done. All right, guys. So I have my chicken marinating in mojo sauce. It's been marinating for probably almost an hour. Okay. My air fryer is preheated to 375. I'm going to cook this between an hour and an hour and a half. We're going to see how long it takes. The first thing I'm going to do is breast side down. I'm going to season the back, okay? And we're going to season this with some salt, not too much, some pepper, some cowboy butter, which I've been really enjoying lately. This has pretty low sodium, so you can actually be generous with this. Some Italian seasoning. And I have some paprika. All right. We're going to flip this over because I'm going to be cooking this breast side up. Just like that. You can see I have 2 onions here to accompany this chicken. And we're going to do the same thing. Now, I also have some baby potatoes that I've seasoned with salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, onion powder, and garlic powder. And I'm just going to spread this around my chicken. Just like this. There we go. Trying to find a space for each one of these. And now it's time to put this into the air fryer, which is already at 375. All right, now this particular air fryer has an integrated thermometer or probe that I can plug right into it. I've never used it before, but after all, this is Easy Kitchen Labs. And so in this laboratory, you are experimenting with me. So let's see how well this works. I'm going to put the probe into the biggest part of the chicken. That's usually either the breast or the thigh. I'm going to go with the breast. All right, so here we go. There we go. We want to make sure we don't hit any bones. We don't want to hit any fat either. And the breast is the area that has the least fat, so that should work. I'm going to plug this in right here. And then it already says target 165, which is exactly what you want to target when you're cooking chicken. I'm going to put it into the lowest rack. And that ought to do it. This ought to take just about an hour to an hour and 30 minutes. Somewhere in between there, it should be done. So stay tuned. All right. Now, the probe just hit the target of 165 degrees for the chicken about 5 minutes ago. I let it sit a little bit longer. I'm going to pull it out now, and Let's see what it looks like. This looks absolutely great. Fully cooked. Got some crisp on the outside. I think it's going to be amazing. I'm going to let this sit for a little bit longer while I start preparing a salad to go with the chicken, potatoes, and the 2 onions that are in there.